You don't like Tinubu, I don't like Obi, you don't like Atiku, but at the end of the day, we all have one thing in common. We want good governance. Even if na Shore you want good governance because you believe that your own candidate will give you good governance or will bring that good governance that you will be hungry for. Now, this lady posted something on Twitter in 2023 general election that is haunting her now. Wait. Let me explain. Currently, she's battling kidney disease. Well, some people are saying that it might be scam or it might not be true, but based on what we have right now, she's battling kidney disease. And she posted it on Twitter stating that I bet she need help, and she posted her account details that make people help her, and she need 25 million. Now, instead of help coming, people are coming with receipts of things she posted during election 2023. Now, because many of us wanted our preferred candidate, to win election during 2023, some people want Shore, some people want Atiku, some people want Obi, some people wanted Jagaban Tinubu, who is now in power. There was a lot of banter. Everybody want Tokoting go pain the other. Now, this lady of trying to support her own candidate posted those things you see there, things like the obedient movement is dead and I'm happy to be among the people that buried it. Now she posted it and now she need money. They're not bringing back those tweets that, since you are part of the people that buried obedient movement, say they no go contribute. I see that is not enough. She went as far as throwing jab to the Biafran war. You guys know how sensitive that Biafran issue is to the southeast, to the Igbo people. Saying things like, but on the quite millions of your ancestors after the Biafran war now. Imagine that kind of thing. Now she need kidney. Some people are even coming to tell her that if you cannot afford the human kidney, that you should try pig kidney. Say is similar. Now, no matter our political differences, no matter you want Tinubu, you want Jagaban, or even if you want Satan to rule, I know that your intention is that you want good governance. Your intention is that you believe that your own candidate will give you that good governance where they hungry you. You believe that your own candidate can do better. The obedience believe that Obi is the answer to their prayer of good governance. You, the bat or the batify, whatever you call yourself, believe that, Jagaban, Tinubu, who built Lagos, who built Nigeria, which is collapsing now. Anyway, forget about that. Now, if you support Atiku, you believe that, Atiku will bring that articulated, Nigeria that you believe. And some people say, Atiku will privatize. No matter who you support, you believe that Shore will come. Let him come and jail all politicians, bad politicians and all that. No matter who you support, there is one thing we have in common. We want good governance, because I don't believe that anybody will be wicked to support a candidate to come and bring bad governance. So please, if anybody need help, I think we should forget our political differences and help. I know some people must have said some things out of cruise, and this is why I say again, please be mindful of what you post on social media because of cruise, because you won't make it pepper the next person, because tomorrow you no go know where you go pepper you, because if he pepper you for kidney tomorrow the way they pepper this lady, remember, disclaimer, it's been alleged that it might be a scam, that she's trying to defraud people money or somehow to get money from people, that she might not be suffering kidney disease. But then imagine if it's true. You need to be careful what you put out there in the name of political banter. Please, before you tweet, ask yourself again, does it really worth it? In the next 5 years, will I be proud of these tweets? Anyway, I just make I drop this out there.